Hey everyone, it is Mudra Monday, and today's mudra is the Mani Ratna Mudra. So, this is for oneness. It helps to support all systems in the body, helps to connect to divine, to the oneness, to the universe. And this is what it looks like now. It might be a little bit difficult to hold this position for a long time, but that's okay. Just do your best. So basically what you're doing is you are putting the index and the thumbs together and you are joining them like this. So the palms like that. And you are spreading out the other fingers the best that you can. And then you are placing it at your heart center and just do the best you can. Some of us are not that flexible, so and just get into a comfortable position just for a few minutes. And just take a deep breath in, close your eyes, and exhale. Take another deep breath in, and exhale. Just breathe in through the nose, out through the nose, nice and easy. Connecting your breath with your mudra, with the heart center, also with your crown chakra. Allowing the crown chakra to open up like a beautiful lotus. Allowing the energy of the universe to flow in through the top of your head. Spilling into your body. And then expanding through your heart chakra. Moving through this mudra, allowing the breath to move through the mudra. You are connected, you are one with the all that is, with the divine, with the universe. You are that. With every breath, know that you are connected, that you are the universe and the universe is you, that you are one. Just allow your body, your mind, your emotions to all relax. Allowing that flow of energy from universal consciousness, from the divine, to flow through your body. Feel that deep connection with the universe, with universal consciousness. Allowing your heart to open and expand even more with every breath. And now, if you would like, you can stay here as long as you like, connecting and growing that connection with your higher consciousness, with the universal consciousness, feeling that oneness. And whenever you are ready, begin to bring your awareness back into your body and rub your hands together and place them over your eyes. And when you are ready, open your eyes and remove your hands. Thank you for being here. Namaste.